Ooh, hot top.
It is hot, so it's like.
Yeah. So, you guys bring Uno?
Oh no.
Kathy, have lunch.
Okay, oh my god, okay. I came to look for you, but you're still in there.
And what the wind is doing and what the water rises are now showing us. We've already seen a record there where you can see all that water rushing inland with the wind coming in and off the Gulf. If not directly, certainly very close to that. And the water is just rushing in very quickly. And it's going to go up as we continue to see Ian move. The center of circulation is somewhere out in there, and it is moving roughly in that direction. So the wind will continue to push the Gulf of Mexico inland here, and the weather will get worse going forward as we watch this evolve. Now, farther to the south, as I mentioned, Naples with this prolonged onshore wind, already a 5.5-foot storm surge. So that is the highest on wind. Begins to move on.
We have the Indian burial grounds, guys. We're safe
in that direction. Let's look at some places that could see very significant inundation. Now the color coding here, for example, Cape Hayes in the orange is 6 to 9 feet, and in the red it's above 9 feet, and there are lots of places that we expect to see that, especially in Fort Myers and in all the complicated canal networking that is a part of the city. So, Stephanie, this is a flooding nightmare disaster unfolding as the weather continues to get worse in many locations. Send back to Stephanie in Englewood.
Okay, so that's the wind component, but this thing is a triple threat, if you will. It's got the wind, it's got the rain, it's got the surge. It really has all three of these, and at a very high level as well. So Dr. Postel, now let's talk about the winds, because even though we're 2 miles inland, we can see flooding here, and we can see catastrophic wind damage as well with this.
We will see catastrophic wind damage with this as the eye wall moves through. Not until it does, but when it does, right? We are seeing now a new extreme wind warning for Charlotte and Sarasota counties with the expectation of wind gusts over 115 miles per hour. Steph, that includes you in Englewood. The eye wall is about ready to move into your location. Is right about like that, moving through parts of the area just to the southwest of Punta Gorda. So this is the most dangerous part, wind-wise, of Ian that is now closing in on many locations right along the Florida coast. And I can zoom in even more to show you that we are about ready to see the highest of all the winds with over 100-mile-per-hour winds that kind of can do damage, right? It can knock out power if it hasn't been knocked out already. It can knock down trees and take roofs off. And with that, you can have complete roof and wall failure. Weather's only getting worse, and the storm surge continues inland. Stay tuned.
But I'm estimating now about 3 feet.
So big wave is over the
I was a little man.
You can see also the wind is picking up the salt water and blowing it in.
Oh,
You can't see there's a condo building next door. I looked over there and went, whoa, that whole building is now surrounded by the river. I'm going to try to get over there safely and get to the hotel. Shoot some video over there and give you an idea because we're higher up. We've got a safe place. My cameraman, photographer, like all up there about 20 feet.
What your feet?
This helps for the building blocking the wind. Then you got
The hot sauce in there.
of course, the range of this hurricane moving at 10 miles an hour. Water's now coming up on the cool down.
All right, so let's do the math, Cassie. You ready?
If
If the hurricane's moving 10 miles an hour,
I'm not assuming that's going to
Moving
happen.
50 miles away?
Now we're about 125 miles away from the eye.
Yeah. Well, the eye's not gonna hit us,
Right. That eye's not gonna come anywhere near us.
Off to the south. We never did it. And I have my
I pray for everybody. I pray for all of us tomorrow. I really pray.
Play, keep playing. Keep playing.
We're looking at right now so we can make it go with that fried rice.
And Jim, speaking of Stephanie, Stephanie will take it to you and then you're in the water and there's nothing.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow's going to be bad.
You're gonna hear.
It's nothing but the quarter where Virgin Cantorians.
That's Oscar.
The Port Charlotte area. 12 to 18 feet. Now that's the worst case scenario on normally dry ground.
Oh, those Reese's cookies. Whoever brought those.
Look at that wave coming in.
I mean,
like
they're unreal. They should be illegal. They should be illegal.
Why?
They're unbelievable.
Oh,
It's like instant diabetes.
no, Walmart's better than Publix.
Yeah, the cookies are better.
All right.
I always get those decadent chocolate chips, the huge chocolate chips in them. They didn't have them, so I got
As
those.
these strong winds move inland and blow down trees,
Yep.
most of the way now has been out here. The strongest winds on the barrier islands where you have palm trees.
But you're the only person in Walmart.
And other than that, not a whole lot of vegetation. But these winds are going to move inland, and we're going to have a lot of power out. Some of it may be out
It's
for
nice, man.
at
We got
least
that
several
neighborhood
days.
Walmart right across the
The
street.
really
Yeah,
serious is the surge and the wind.
It's like a mile away from the
condo
house.
next door, that whole parking lot, that whole building is surrounded by the river, and you can see
I went to Audi, the one you told me.
Because I'm standing out
Audi.
here.
Audi, I went there. They don't have so much stuff.
Comes in gradually.
Yeah, I used to live right over by Countryway.
Yeah, I went there. They don't have so
Yeah,
much
it's right,
stuff.
it's right there on Sheldon Road.
Yeah, I used to live on Countryway by the
Okay.
The one by Costco is bigger and
We get into
more
the
people
eye.
shopping.
Yeah, I
As it circulates, spins,
like the area, West Chase or whatever it's called now.
we're going to stay in
West Chase, yeah.
Yeah, right before you get over the bridge. Right there.
state
Yep.
winds, hurricane force.
I like it over there, man. I mean, you know,
miles an hour down the
just
peak.
you can just go west, you know, into Oldsmar, and you know, not a lot of traffic and shit.
I think that's going to be
Go shopping. They got Lowe's. They got the Home Depot is like a mile from the 2 miles from the house. It's right there on Sheldon
a
Road.
giant buzzsaw that went right up through
Lowe's is
Orlando.
Fort Myers is going to be completely
about the
unlevel.
same the other
So
direction.
like Bettis, this is
got
what we're going
Walmart
to have
down
for the
there.
foreseeable future, unless we're.
What was the name of that Italian deli you told me about?
Oh, it's
Get right into the eye, the winds will back off. But
The eye wall is there now.
we're going to be battered for several hours at least as Ian heads towards the coast, just north of us, up towards 70 acres. Dr. Knapp?
I take video now.
You already took the video?
Yeah. I already told you. เหลนสาวหน่อยค่ะ สวยป่ะพี่น้องเหลนสาวหน่อยเลยตาหักเนาะ
I don't know what to say.
Can say hello everybody.
Post
you have to see one yet?
Hello everyone. Say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
My name is Mara.
The fucking Michael that just came through
My
like
name
2
is
years ago.
Mara.
What we do? What are we doing here?
I'm supposed to say
Say something.
what's going on right now.
What's going on right now?
Well, we're here because of the hurricane and everything. The hurricane and everything.
And
Now we're here because this house is safer than ours.
oh yeah.
Right behind you, don't step in it.
I'm sure it was my dog.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure too.
I'm Laura and I record YouTube videos every day.
You stepped in it. Romeo?
Crazy Bronson. It's crazy Bronson. Bronson crazy. You're crazy Bronson. You're crazy.
That sounds 100%.
What is that?
เลนนะคะเลนหลานเลน
Romeo!
What he say?
What?
Everybody, he said I'm crazy and he hates me.
No.
That's what Mara does every day.
Why are you standing outside? And do it.
You dancing, Mara? Oh.
Wait, let me see it.
Huh? You dancing? And now ตอนนี้นะคะตอนนี้ก็มาถึงบ้านหลานสาวนะคะเนี่ยก็มารวมญาติกันเนี่ย dancing มันรวมญาติกันอยู่ในอันนี้อพยพกันมาอยู่บ้านหลานเนี่ย
Wait, who are you taking your video?
Gory stuff.
Can you give me some please? It's spicy?
The reporter's saying it's the worst
Not spicy?
storm ever.
Okay. Oh, ooh, the spicy.
They said it. Most important election in history. The worst one that's gonna happen. They're there while it's happening.
The glory.
He's covered 90. He's covered 90. He says it's the worst one. I've seen 40 elections.
Yeah.
I think
Oh man, you missing. Don't take your eye away from that building, okay?
Hey, Mark, stay in here for a second. Watch out. You gotta stay in here. I'm going outside. Come on, watch out.
are you going outside?
Yeah, stay in the house, please.
You stay in the house, Mara. Not you. Not you. Not you. Not you, Mara. Not you.
But I want to go out.
No.
Mom, can I go out?
Come on. Stand here.
The wind is too bad. You come in.
Sure. Mommy to welcome in. It's okay, you need stay in here. I put you. I put you right away. Don't go far. Stay here. It start coming.
It's coming in gusts.
Yeah. Yeah.
I never saw it this windy
It's
before.
scary.
I never,
Ooh.
I never saw it this windy before.
That's a leader. Let's go in. Let's go in.
Let's go to that.
There's the 77 gusts
Taking a video of you and Anne.
mention that the Punta Gorda Airport observation is
What got hit, Daddy?
water like Jim's shot has been, so they're probably
Who got
getting
hit?
stronger winds.
Cantori. I don't know what hit him, but something hit him when he was standing in the middle of the street.
That guy?
What?
That reporter guy?
What?
I'm taking a video of you.
Oh, okay.
This is where you shelter like you dry level interior. We should tell everyone we just switched from Verizon.
Uncle Brian. Timmy. Timmy. Say hi. Nothing.
Oh, an hour before.
Come here, buddy. Timmy, come here. Mara, go away. Mara, go away.
She's gonna post this. Mommy. Mommy.
Not for now.
Mommy.
So we're good. I'm fine. A little bit of dough, we'll get it right out.
You didn't start it.
I did. See?
What is she trying to do?
She dancing.
Even some kind of northwesterly component is still coming from the water area, so it's going to remain up for a while. Now, places like Galicia, once the storm gets to our east, those winds will be pushing the water back out again. So it may actually go out faster there. But the problem is we're not out of the woods in Punta Gorda, because we're going to...
Gals.
Flash flood warning in the northwestern part of this, and we've got the storm surge flooding that's happening in the coastal area. So if you aren't evacuated, and
They think I'm just some dumb hick. They told me that at dinner.
To the levels that are flooding with water. So yeah, it's a dire situation, no doubt about it, but we got to shelter like we would for a tornado with this. And there's the flash flood warning. This is going to become more and more of an issue that could become the issue for some of the inland locations. Just some of the more recent wind reports that we got from Cape Coral and Captiva gusting well over 100 miles an hour, and the surface observations from the airports have been showing us gusts up in the range of 100, 120 plus miles per hour. Mike, it's amazing to get
So the coastal areas have actually fared fairly well. We haven't had a lot of issues with these storm surge yet. That's if we stay on that north side. Once the wind starts to wrap back around, you'll get more of a push. But I think the worst case scenario as far as
Like a
storm
dead
surge
town,
goes
huh?
for Sarasota, we're looking
Nobody there.
6 feet potentially. This is way up to Central Florida. Wind is our bigger
Like a dead sound.
Guys, I can't stress this enough. We are in Lakewood Ranch. Our hotel got evacuated because we were near the water.
Oh, I smell it now.
So we had to relocate
Oh,
our
really?
backyard 75.
I don't smell it, but now I'm just wrong with soup.
I smell it now. I go outside.
Open up every door and